my gosh, my room is a mess. Like, this is such a mess. And in today's video, I am going to turn this into, yeah, a great room of journaling and my other whimsicals. Start making my bed right now. So okay, I'm already done with my bed and it's still looking much better than it did before. I just gotta remove my slippers and my brother's sock over there, and yeah, I still have a long way to go, so let's not waste any more time. Okay, this is what it turned out like, and it's more cleaner this way. It has, yeah, it's more cleaner. Even my brother's side is clean.